Effective January 1st, 2024 in California, parties may have to spend the time and expense of litigating a dispute while an appeal over compelling arbitration of the dispute is pending. Currently, if a party's motion to compel arbitration of a trial court proceeding in California is denied, the underlying trial court proceeding is automatically stayed and not allowed to move forward while the appeal is decided. This new law is of importance to California employers that include arbitration provisions in their agreements with employees. When an employee who is a party to an arbitration agreement pursues claims against their employer in court, the employer's next logical step is to move to compel arbitration. Under the existing law, if for whatever reason the employer's motion is denied, the employer can appeal without having to spend time and money defending the case in trial court. However, under the new law, employers may have to potentially defend against trial court claims while they appeal the fact that such claims should be heard by a trial court in the first place. Allowing the claims to proceed while an appeal is pending seems to make the arbitration clause moot, as a dispute might be decided before the appeal is. This would also seem to cut against the usually proclaimed benefits of arbitration, including the non-public forum, cost efficiencies, and shorter overall time spent in litigation. There is some good news. Under the new law, trial court judges may use their discretion to stay or not stay proceedings during an appeal, so such proceedings are not automatically allowed to go forward. Further, the law only comes into play upon the denial of a motion to compel arbitration and appeal of such a denial, so it may not necessarily become a factor in every employment claim brought in court that should instead be brought in arbitration. Finally, it is possible that the law is preempted by the Federal Arbitration Act and will not withstand a legal challenge. In a ruling from earlier this year, the Supreme Court held that a federal district court must stay its proceedings during an appeal of a motion to compel arbitration of the claims involved in the proceedings. We will be watching this one develop. As always, if you have any questions about this law or any other employment questions, feel free to contact a member of our team.